Hi, I'm Kerry from eSpares, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to carry out a Whirlpool washing machine water inlet valve replacement. If you find that your Whirlpool washing machine isn't filling up, then it is a clear sign that it needs to be replaced and it's faulty. Luckily, you can change the water inlet valve at home by yourself without needing to call a professional. So let's go through it step by step. To change a Whirlpool washing machine water inlet valve, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver and of course your new valve. We'll include a link to where you can buy a new valve in the description below. And remember, safety first. Always make sure you switch off your appliance and unplug it from the mains before carrying out any work. Let's get started. First, you need to remove the top panel of your washing machine. You'll need your Phillips screwdriver and you'll need to remove the two screws at the top of your machine that are found at the left and right sides of the back of the panel. Once unscrewed, you can go ahead and remove the top panel by lifting it up and back towards you. Next, you need to remove the screw that's hidden above the valve inlet. Next, you need to remove the two screws on top of the valve within the soap dispenser unit. Next, you can remove the valve from the soap dispenser unit. Try lifting the soap dispenser unit slightly and give it a wiggle. Finally, you can finish removing the valve by disconnecting the electrical connections. These are colour coded so you will know where to reconnect them when it comes to fitting the new valve. Now it's time to fit your new water inlet valve. Before you order your valve, you need to make sure that you've got your washing machine model number to make sure you get the correct part for your make and model of washing machine. If you're not sure what your model number is or where to find it, don't worry. Our video on how to find your washing machine model number is here to get you in the know. Now, to fit the new water inlet valve, start by reconnecting your electrical connections into their correct colour coordinated sections. Then you can fit the valve under the soap dispenser like so. Next, you need to refit the screws at the top of the soap dispenser. Next, you can fit the screw above the valve inlet. Next, you can refit your top panel by pushing forwards and placing down. Finally, you can finish off by refitting the two screws on your top panel. And there you have it, everything you need to change a Whirlpool washing machine water inlet valve. Your appliance should now be working once more. If you ever find your washing machine suffering from any other filling or dispenser problems, then check out our video below to help. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for any appliance repairs, maintenance guides and all things eSpares. Thanks for watching.